Hi, I want to give you 3 quick tips that you can use if you're looking to buy health insurance that can help you to eliminate a lot of the bad companies and bad policies and policies that are bad for you. 3 quick tips. My background is I've been an insurance agent since 1985. I have an agency here in Connecticut. You can reach me by dialing 1-800-INSURANCE if you are in Connecticut using a Connecticut phone. But these tips will help you whether you are in New York or California or Florida or anywhere else. Okay, here go the quick tips. Number 1, when you're looking to buy health insurance, make sure you buy health insurance and you buy a good policy. The easiest way to make sure that you are buying from a legitimate company that actually sells health insurance. There are a lot of companies out there that sell policies that kind of look like they're health insurance, but they're really not. The easiest way is to contact your state's your state's insurance department and ask them for a list of companies that are approved to sell health insurance in your state. And there should be a list for auto insurance and homeowners insurance and different types of insurance. So it's not just one list for all companies that are allowed to sell every kind of insurance. So get that list from the insurance department for your state. That will probably be available online or by calling them. The second thing you should look at is the network. Make sure that any company you're considering is going to have doctors close to your house or close to your job, whichever is more convenient for you. If you have a child who is in school away from home, make sure that there is a good network near your child's school. More important than the doctors is the hospital. Make sure that there are hospitals close to your job and or your child's school. One thing a lot of people ask me about or have concerns about is if they're traveling and they break a leg or something. Well, this is usually not a big concern because insurance companies will treat you as if you're in network during an emergency situation. Where it is important is if you are a snowbird and you have a house in New York and a house in Florida. You want to make sure that there's a network in both places so you can get routine care done, but that's not an issue with emergency care. Okay. The third thing is exclusions and limitations. Health insurance companies are proud of the benefits that they offer, so when you pick up a brochure, it'll tell you, I do this, I do that, we do this, and we do the other thing. They're not so proud of what they don't cover. Now, all policies are going to have some exclusions and limitations. You're probably not going to find a policy that will cover elective plastic surgery or self-inflicted injuries and certain other things. But you want to go to the back of the brochure or the back of the outline of coverage, it's always in the back, and look for a section entitled Exclusions and Limitations. Sometimes those are broken down into 2 sections, or they use words that have the same meaning. But read through those and make sure that there's nothing unusual in those sections. So those are the 3 tips. 1, check with your insurance department. Make sure that any company that you are considering is approved to sell that type of insurance, or health insurance in this case, in your state. 2, check the network. Make sure that you've got doctors and at least one hospital that are convenient to home and possibly job and your child's dorm. And 3rd, while you want to know what the policy covers, you also want to know what it doesn't, so check the exclusions and limitations on the policy. If you are looking to buy health insurance in Connecticut, you can visit our website. It's 1-800-INSURANCECT.com. That's 1-800-INSURANCE-CT.com. You can also call 1-800-INSURANCE and speak with my son, Joel Balcom, or me, Alston Balcom. There's usually one of us here between 9 a.m. and 9 p.m. most days of the week. And finally, if you would you please make a comment below if you're watching this on YouTube? Make a comment below. It helps us to get ranked better on YouTube and get more people to watch our video, and we'd really appreciate that. And hope these tips helped. Bye bye.